The health benefits of taking apple cider vinegar and cayenne pepper, and a recipe to use at home. 1. Cayenne pepper is a well-known powdered spice and is used in herbal medicine all over the world. It has a powerful effect on improving digestion and fighting the common cold. 2. Apple cider vinegar has been used for thousands of years to treat all kinds of diseases and infections. It is most commonly used to help the body absorb nutrients from foods and get rid of acid reflux. 3. When these two ingredients are mixed together in the form of a drink, they have the ability to help you lose weight quickly by improving overall digestive health. Let's take a look at the recipe. You will need 250 milliliters of water, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, and 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Method: add all of the ingredients to a glass and stir well. Drink this first thing in the morning every day. 4. This drink quickly begins to boost the metabolism of the body. The cayenne pepper powder contains compounds which may make the stomach feel warm. 5. The apple cider vinegar boosts stomach acid, which is needed in order to break down foods more effectively. 6. After taking this mixture for a week, your body will have improved digestion and will be able to tap into its stored body fat for energy. 7. This works well when following any weight loss plan or diet. We recommend following the ketogenic diet whilst increasing your intake of leafy green vegetables. 8. The nutrients from the vegetables will be more easily absorbed and your body will become more healthy. A healthy body has the ability to regulate its own weight naturally, and fat loss is an added benefit. 9. The apple cider vinegar in the mixture also works to treat a common condition called acid reflux or GERD. Acid reflux is caused by the stomach being too alkaline. 10. This drink is also very effective at reducing joint and bone pain for those suffering with arthritis. It purifies the liver and kidneys and lowers inflammation. 11. We recommend using high-quality products such as raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar and a good cayenne pepper powder for the best effects. 12. Many people who drink this tonic on a daily basis find that they no longer suffer with colds in the winter. It has a powerful effect on boosting the immune system. 13. The cayenne pepper may also prevent food poisoning in certain situations, as it has the ability to destroy harmful pathogens in foods. 14. We love adding a dash of cayenne to curries and homemade healthy soups to add a little heat and nutrition. 15. Drinking a good quality mineral water throughout the day will also help to balance your electrolytes during weight loss, making you feel less fatigued and more energetic. 16. Try to reduce your intake of carbohydrates to as little as possible for the fastest possible weight loss. Instead, increase your fat intake from healthy sources, such as olive oil or avocado. 17. To learn more about apple cider vinegar or cayenne pepper powder, please see our other videos. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.